Well, we're back at Titchmarsh Nature Reserve, and hopefully today we'll get some. It's very, very windy, as you can see on the trees, and the lakes are behind us on my left, and I'm walking down here just day before yesterday. Saw a kingfisher, but he was too quick. Couldn't even get my camera to set it up to take a photograph. It was gone, but at least it was a sighting, and hopefully we'll see something today. It actually wasn't on the lake on my left, it was in the trout fishery on the on my right, and I don't normally go there, but went there yesterday, day before yesterday, just to have a little look, and there he was, sitting on a very low branch. I was more taken with the trout in the lake, and then I looked up and there he was. But as soon as I looked up, he flew away. But anyway, we're here today. Let's see what we can find. We're just going to go straight up this path. Just beyond that pylon, there's another lake over there. And let's see the trees on the horizon there. Beyond the pylon there's another lake there, and that's where I'm headed. Now this is where I saw the kingfisher, just through here. Now as we go into the woods, the wind is dropping, so hopefully I will see one in here. I'll keep my video running for a little while, but I have to go very, very quietly. Sit and wait patiently. We'll go through there and follow this path around, and see a boat coming down there, and this is where we're going. Now this is where I saw the kingfisher, and he was just sitting in there, down by the water there, and I'm going to go around the other side, see if we can pick him. He was sitting on that branch, and I'm going to put my hand there, just right there. He was sitting right there on the branch, and I'm going to just sit here for a few minutes, see if he turns up, because I think this could be his little favourite hunting place. And it's nice and quiet out of the wind, and also the shade is there, so you can actually see right into the lake. About half an hour, and still no sign of my little kingfisher friend. But that is the part of the lake, goes up way up to the left. But, not anybody here today. These platforms, one I'm standing on, there's a couple over there, one over there, they're normally occupied, but nobody seems to be around today for whatever reason. Anyway, we're going to move in a few moments, and just wait another 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to move on.